Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Laurel, local and long distance movers near me. When you choose 3 Movers as your local moving company in Laurel, you select a team with unmatched expertise and a deep understanding of the city. This local knowledge allows us to navigate the city easily, saving you time and ensuring a smooth moving process. We aim to alleviate stress by providing exceptional service from start to finish. By choosing 3 Movers as your local moving company in Laurel, you can rest assured that your belongings will be safe. We are committed to providing a seamless and efficient moving experience, allowing you to focus on settling into your new home and exploring all that Laurel offers. Regarding long-distance moves from Laurel, 3 Movers is the name we can trust. We specialize in providing seamless transitions to your new destination, whether within the state, in Florida, or across the country. One of the critical aspects of a successful long-distance move is meticulous planning and attention to detail. Our Laurel long-distance 3 Movers are well-versed in handling the logistics involved in long-distance relocations. From coordinating the timing of the move to ensuring the proper packing and transportation of your belongings, we take care of every aspect to provide you with a stress-free experience. We offer competitive pricing options and customizable moving plans tailored to fit your specific budget and requirements, ensuring you receive the level of service you need without breaking the bank. When you choose 3 Movers for your local or long-distance move from Laurel, you can have peace of mind knowing you're in capable hands. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Laurel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.